Hello everyone, my name is Shafira Aulia Sylvani, student number 182, and today I'm going to present my thesis writing design presentation with the title of Shopaholic to Shopologic, Habitus Transformation of Indonesian Minimalist Community, Live at Last Members in Consuming Sustainable Product. Okay, so the concept of habitus is a disposition system that acquires active ongoing practice as the product of history. Bourdieu emphasized that habitus variation depends on individual class conditions. And according to Bourdieu, different conditions of existence produce different habits practices based on their classes. And a minimalist lifestyle is nowadays a trend, especially in urban areas. And the statement is particularly happening since urban society tends to have shopping malls where people can find and buy many items. And according to Oliveira, Fidel, and Ferraz, in 2020, one of the characteristics of urban society's lifestyle is high consumption habits of disposable or valuable goods by fleeting trends or excessive need. Knowing that humans have a sense of habituation, the uncontrollable habit of consuming goods contributes to the shopaholic lifestyle. Okay, so for the significance of the object, Life at Last is an Indonesian minimalist community founded in 2018 by Cynthia Lestari as a platform-based community. So the community gathers minimalist enthusiasts who are willing or have applied a minimalist lifestyle in their life with a high number of engagement in the community's social media. According to the report of International FMCG or CPG Report 2021, Consumer Goods in a Crisis, and FMCG state for a fast-moving consumer good. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, 74% of Indonesians have changed their shopping habits. Considering the global average is not 59%, the consumption rate in Indonesia is quite high. Otherwise, the high engagement of people following the community's contents for being a minimalist shows that Life at Last is a fast community with impactful projects that happens to solve the consumptive and waste issue in society. Hence, the research is conducted to understand how Live at Last communities members transform their shopaholic habits into shopologic. Okay, so there are two studies that examine research about Life at Last community. The first study is focused on the identity of the community's members. Anissa Rizky Ananda's research in 2021 is conducted to find the essence of happiness by having a minimalist identity with phenomenological theory by Edmund Husserl and ethical perspective by Al-Ghazali. And the second study is focused on the meaning of the product consumed. And the example comes from Dini Eka Putri's Scientific Journal in 2021, which examined the community's project of Saling Silang with a Baudrillard's simulation theory aims to find the interrelationships of consumerism culture in the project, which leads to the product's three aspects of meaning in Baudrillard's theory. Last but not least, the writer would like to consider the transformation of members' habit before and after joining the community, such as Francisca Berliani's study in 2019, which examined the members' habitus transformation before and after joining Shiran Sub's community using Pierre Bourdieu's theory, including running clothes needs. However, none of these three studies concern the impact of consumptive acts, such as product waste. Therefore, this idea of study will cover the habitus act of consuming sustainable products before and after joining the Life at Last community. Okay, so the research aims to answer how has Life at Last community effectively affected the shopaholic lifestyle of their members to reduce waste, and also how have Life at Last members habitus transformation process in consuming goods. Thus, the objective of the research is to understand the transformation of their consumption habits through consuming sustainable goods after participating in Life Atlas community. Okay, so here's the last page, and these are the references that I use. Thank you.